Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you can actually add a shortcode to your WordPress website. So without any further talking, make sure that you have opened the dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin. By doing so, this page will be opened for you. If you don't know how to open it or how to come to this page, it will be firstly open like that. Of course, you need a password and email to open it. If you don't have any password and email, that means you don't have an account already. So make sure to create an account by watching one of my oldest videos about how to create your first website on WordPress in 2 minutes. This tutorial will help you a lot. And then go to the dashboard tutorial that I've made, like a really deep tutorial about all of these sections to make you familiar with them. So now what you will have to do is go to plugins and let's add a new plugin. The plugin that we are going to use, which is called Elementor, and click on enter. So that's how it looks like. So I have already this plugin installed in my website, which will look something like that. Click on active and then it will be activated on your website. So now let's click on posts and let's add a new post. Let's wait and click on edit with Elementor. Wait a couple seconds and it will take us to this page. Now what you'll have to do, go down, scroll down, and let's wait, and as you can see here we have this shortcode section. What you have to do is drag your widget here, add new, and then what you'll have to do is basically come here, shortcode, add it here, and tap the code that you want to edit it in here. So for me, I don't have any shortcode for this website, but if you have any shortcodes for your website, you can add it here, click on apply, and then it will be published and public for everyone. So guys, that's what it was for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.